Moving to America for college was a scary experience, but one I'm happy I made. The American education system is one of the best in the world, and the University of Northern Iowa truly cares about its students. Their business college is highly ranked with one of the few STEM-designated accounting programs.
I'm Leslie Wilson, Dean of the College of Business. Join our top-ranked business college, and your future self will thank you. Take advantage of over 20 undergraduate programs, valuable internships, certifications, and prominent mentors. You'll have a partner in your progress every step of the way. It's why students serious about a future in business seriously consider UNI. Based on thousands of alumni I am personally connected with, if you start here, you can go anywhere.
Everyone at the University of Northern Iowa helps me feel like I can succeed. The campus is beautiful and everything is within walking distance. I've made so many memories and I've felt safe and right at home in the community. I've truly enjoyed my time at the University of Northern Iowa. When you are supported and encouraged to dream big, there is no limit to what you can achieve.